Hey everyone, I'm Vikram Salunke and welcome to the Web Application Penetration Testing and Secure Coding. This is a video number 14 and part 2 of a JavaScript Basics. In this video we will see Document Object Model or DOM. DOM is a way that browser lets developer to manipulate the web page with the JavaScript. When browser loads the web page, it passes all the HTML and CSS and convert the document into the DOM. DOM contains all the tags, attributes and styles for each tag. To access the DOM onto the web page from JavaScript, we use a global variable known as a document, and we can use the properties or call functions to manipulate the DOM. First, we find the DOM node using an access method. In this case, we are looking for body. We can easily access that by using document.body. Next thing is to manipulate the DOM node which we found by changing its attributes, styles and inner HTML. Now in this case we wanted to replace the content, so that's why we used inner HTML and the content got replaced. Now let's change the style. First let's delete this. Let's change the background of a body. For that we will use body.style.background color equals red. Save it. Let's go to the browser, refresh it. Okay, so we have changed the style using the JavaScript. So to summarize this, first we use DOM access to find the DOM node, and then we use DOM modification to manipulate that node. Let's start with the finding element by ID. We want to change this h2. Let's give this h2 an ID equals x86. Okay, now let's go to the script. Now let's access global document object using document get element by ID. Let's pass an ID x86. Now let's change its inner HTML. HTML equals advanced x86 assembly. Let's save it, go to the web browser, refresh it. Okay, as we can see, we have changed this h2 tag by using ID. So that's it for this video. If you want to solve the exercise related to this video, visit our website webmaskers.com, solve the exercises and test your understanding. Thank you.